Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Relaxer Day. I know a lot of you guys have been like, waiting for my next update for my relaxed hair, Texlax hair, however you want to call it. But here it is. So I have been 25 weeks post relaxer, you guys. This is the longest I've ever stretched my hair, and I repeat, I will never, never do this again. Oh my God, this relaxer stretch was so stressful. Like, I even went through depression. That's how stressful it was. And I'm never, like, dealing with 3 different textures in my hair right now. That was pretty difficult. But I made it through, y'all. I made it through, and I'm never stretching my hair for 25 weeks again. When I say I have 3 different textures, I mean I have the ends of my hair are bone straight. That's why it's thinner. And then the middle part is my texturized hair texture. And then the root is obviously natural. So like I'm transitioning to texturized. Oh my God, Texlax. So it's Texlax. I can't even say it. So it's Texlax. That's what I'm transitioning to, and whatnot. So that my hair will, be more thicker, and I'll still have some texture in my hair. So I'll be using my one and only relaxer, Olive Oil ORS Relaxer Kit. And if you want to see, my full tutorial on how I relax my hair, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. So you can check out my other previous relaxer day videos as well. They will all be linked down below in the description box. Like I said before, I'm 25 weeks post relaxer right now, and I'm never doing this ever again, because dealing with 3 different textures, especially with my roots and my natural hair being so coarse, it was very, very difficult for me to maintain it. And I even lost some hair due to this, and I will not do this again. I would stick to between either 15 weeks and 20 weeks. I really struggled with this stretch, man. I contemplating going natural, like cutting all my hair off and going natural, a lot during this process. If it wasn't for my boyfriend, man, I would have cut all my hair off, y'all. And it would have been big chop video instead of relaxer day video. But it didn't happen. So we here.
Swerving on that big body, been serving all this, surfing all this good. We woke up in the kitchen saying, how the hell did this shit happen? Oh baby, drunk in love, we be all night. Last thing I remember is our beautiful bodies grinding off of that club.
Remember, because you don't want to overprocess your edges and your nape area, you always apply the relaxer to those parts at the end. So with this relaxer, since I've, been so many weeks post relaxer, I'm going to go back in my hair again a second time with the relaxer, and then actually massage it into it so that my hair takes the relaxer.
Changed, just bust the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I love you. I I think I'd die for you. Shoulders he cry for you. The things when you want me to, like controller, control. You like controller, control. You like controller, control. You like controller, control. You like it when I get aggressive, baby. Go slower, faster now, baby. Yeah. Don't wanna be a player. Oh, found someone I can lay my life up. So let it just be you and me. Yeah, yeah. I think I'd die for you. Show the secret for you. Do things when you want me to. Like control that, control. Like control that, control. You like control that, control. Ooh, ooh. Control that, control. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Na 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 give a shit up, make your ass shit big like Kukuruku. Make her upgrade your life, make your life this sweet like Kukuruku. Make her give a shit up, make your ass shit big like Kukuruku. Make her upgrade your life, make your life is sweet like Cinderella, oh yeah Maradona. I dey give you fans like Vuvuzela. Cinderella, oh yeah Maradona. I dey give you fans like Vuvuzela. Cinderella, oh yeah Maradona. I dey give you fans like Vuvuzela. Cinderella, oh yeah Maradona. I dey give you fans like. Make her give this shit up, make her yash shit big like Kukuruku. Make her upgrade your life, make your life is sweet like Kukuruku. Make her give this shit up, make her yash shit big like Kukuruku. Make her upgrade your life, make your life is sweet like Cinderella, oh Maradona. I give you fans like Vuvuzela. Cinderella, oh Maradona. I give you fans like Vuvuzela. Cinderella, oh Maradona. I give you fans like Vuvuzela. Cinderella, oh Maradona. I give you fans like.
I've been sick again. Want you. I've been sick again. I've been drinking. I get filthy when the liquor get into me. I've been thinking. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you. Nah. Why can't I keep my fingers off you, baby? I want you. Ooh. Cigars on ice, cigars on ice. Feeling like you're not in movies, comes out of my grill. Flashing lights. Got me fitted.
So I shampooed my hair with the shampoo that came with the relaxer kit, and now we're going to deep condition the hair with the conditioner that comes along with the kit. And with the conditioner, I mixed the conditioner up with my favorite oils, which are extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, almond oil, avocado oil. Yes, grapeseed oil in there too. Okay, so mix it all up and put it in my hair. So as you can see, my two textures in my hair, the ends of my hair are more thinner and straighter because those are my bone straight relaxed, like my old bone straight relaxed hair. And now if you see like going towards the middle, or you know, to the roots, it's much more thicker and it's much more texturized. And those are my texturized hair texture, and that's how I want my hair to be. So I'm slowly like transitioning, like I've been slowly like cutting off the ends of my hair so that, you know, I'll just have all texturized left. I think after my next relax today, then I'm gonna cut off all my straight ends and leave all my texturized texture going on, you know, because it's pretty.
Pocket in my lot, 7-Eleven. I'm rubbing if you scared. Call that reverend boy, I'm drinking. Get my brain right, I'm on dipping, yeah, thanks to wife. The wee sheets, see, sweat it out like wash racks. See where with that boy, I'm drinking. I'm singing on the mic to my boys' toys, and I fill the tub up halfway, then riding with my surfboard. Surfboard, raining on the wood, raining on that wood. I'm swerving on that, swerving on that big body, been serving all this, surfing all of this good. We woke up in the kitchen saying, how the hell did this shit happen? Oh baby, drunk in love, we be all night. Last thing I remember is our beautiful bodies grinding off of that club. Drunk in love, we'd be all night. Love, we'd be all love.
So now I'm going to start off the week again. So I think this time I'm gonna do 15 weeks, but I don't know, maybe 15 or 20 weeks. I don't know, but I'm damn sure not gonna do 25 weeks. So I'm just gonna write it in my handy dandy notebook, okay? My next relaxer will be probably at the end of April, if it's 15 weeks, or maybe at the end of May if it's 20 weeks. I don't know right now, but I'll know as I'm going. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. See you in my next video.